Hello, welcome to Educational Wi-Fi classes, where knowledge is power. We request you to like, share and subscribe.
Hello guys, welcome to large numbers part 4. Today we are going to learn about expanded form. So what is expanded form? Expanded means what? To expand something or expansion or describe, or you make it longer so that people can easily understand what is in there. So how we are going to start with the numbers and expanded form is, previously we have learned about the place value chart. You still need to remember the place value chart all the time when you are doing the expanded form. So if you haven't watched the video earlier, please watch the video part 1 wherein you will learn about the place value chart. So we continue with the expanded form. It goes like this. Example 6, 8, 2, 3. We need to write this number in the expanded form. So what are we going to do? We will check first which number is lying where on the place value chart. So 3 is on ones place, so we write down O on top. 2 is on tens place, so we write T on top. 8 is on hundreds place, so we write H on top. And 6 is on thousand place, so we write TH on top. So now we know which number is lying on which area in the place value chart. So we will continue with that one. So 6 is on thousand, so we write down 6,000. Or you can say in the other words, how I write down is 6 is in thousands place, I write down 6 first and 3 digits at the back. I remove these 3 digits and I put 3 zeros. Okay, so next digit after this one is 8. So I will write down 8, but before that one I will put plus. I put 8 over here, and then after 8 I have 2 digits. So I replace these 2 digits and put 2 zeros at the back. The next one is 2, which is on tens place. So I'll put plus 2, and there is 1 digit at the back, so I put 1 0. After this one, on the units place or on the ones place is number 3. So I will just write down number 3. So you have seen here how we have expanded this one is 6 is on thousands place, so we write down 6,000. 8 is on hundreds place, so we write down 800. 2 is on tens place, so we write down 20. And 3 is on ones place, so we just write down 3. Or in the other words, you can say after 6 I have 3 digits, so I replace these 3 digits, put 3 zeros here. After 8 I have 2 digits, I replace these 2 digits and put 2 zeros in here. After 2 I have 1 digit, I replace this 1 digit and I put 1 zero over here. So this is how we are going to write the expanded form. And then if you want to check whether your answer is correct or wrong, how you are going to check? You can check this thing over here. Like you will write down 6,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 3. So when you are going to write, you just need to make sure that you write everything in a proper sequence. Like whatever is on ones place, you will write down according to ones place. Whatever is on tens place, you will write under the tens place. What is on hundreds place, you will write down under hundreds place. And whatever is on the thousands place, you write under thousands place. Then we add all of this. So 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 3. 2 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 2. 8 plus 0 is 8. And 6 plus 0 is 6. So we get the answer is 6,823, which is same with what we have started our question. So once our question and this one is same, that means we have expanded this one in a right way, or our answer is correct, whatever we have written in the expanded form. Okay guys, so hopefully you would have understood how we have did this one in writing expanded form. Okay, example, I will give you one more example. Suppose 3,823 and 4,890. Okay, we just change numbers a little bit. I put 3803 and 4890. Now I would like all of you to pause the video for a while and try to attempt this question by yourself. If after you finish getting the answer, then you can play again and compare your answers with my answers, and then you can check whether you got the concept properly or not. Okay, so we will continue with this one, 3803. So how we are going to write down whatever is on thousands place? We will start with the left hand side always. So whatever is on the thousands place, we will start with that one. So 3, so we write down 3000 plus, next is 8, so we write down 800 plus, next is 0 is on tens place, so we write down 0, and in the last we have 3, so we just copy this 3 as it is. We are not going to change anything. So how we have done this one? 3800, 0 as it is and 3 as it is. Why we have written 0 as it is? Because if we write 0 and then one more 0, because there is one more digit at the back, so here will be 2 zeros. But if if we write 2 zeros, that is equal to one single 0, so that's why we did not write down 2 zeros over there. Next one is 4890. So how we are going to do with the 4890? 4 is on thousands place, so we write down 4000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 0. Okay, so this is the way you can write this thing. So how we have done this one? 4800, 9 become 90, because after 9 there's one digit. Either you can say you have copied the same digit, or you can say you have replaced this digit and put 0 over there, and in the last we have 0, we have written the 0 over there. When practicing, you can write these zeros, not a problem, but if you don't write down these zeros also, there's no problem, because whenever you add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. So if we put this 0 in here, it's not going to change anything in the question. Same goes in here. If I put 0 over here, or if I remove this 0, it doesn't make any change in the answer, or doesn't change anything in the question. So that means because 0 don't have any value when we are adding in that one, so that's why it goes like this. Hopefully you would have got the concept of doing the expansion of the large numbers, and if you have any further questions, you can just review the video and check again for your concepts. And for further queries, you can follow me on Telegram. Thank you.
It was fun. Before we leave, we request you to follow us using the links in the description box. Press like, share, subscribe, and press the bell notification to get the latest update.